There's no doubt that date balls with nuts are one of the most delicious treats around the world. But have you ever thought about their health benefits? These little treats are packed with natural energy. Date balls with nuts give you a quick boost without any added sugar. Date balls with nuts are full of fiber, which helps improve digestion and keeps your stomach healthy. They are also loaded with vitamins and minerals that strengthen your immune system. For anyone watching their diet, date balls with nuts are a perfect natural way to manage weight. Even your heart benefits from date balls with nuts, thanks to the healthy fats in the nuts. In short, with date balls with nuts, you not only enjoy amazing taste but also take care of your health every day. 1. Boosts natural energy. Looking for a healthy pick-me-up? Date balls with nuts are packed with natural sugars and protein that give you a burst of energy instantly. No need for sugary snacks that crash your mood later. These little bites fuel your day the right way. Perfect for mornings, workouts, or even an afternoon slump. Each bite melts in your mouth while keeping your energy levels stable. Athletes and busy professionals alike love them for a reason. You'll feel energized without feeling heavy or bloated. It's like a natural coffee, but tastier and guilt-free. 2. Supports digestion. Say goodbye to bloating and sluggish digestion with date balls with nuts. These treats are rich in dietary fiber, which keeps your gut happy and moving smoothly. Fiber helps prevent constipation and promotes regularity naturally. A healthy gut means better nutrient absorption, and that means a healthier you. Even if you're not a fan of veggies, these sweet bites sneak fiber into your diet effortlessly. Digestive health affects your energy, mood, and overall wellness. So next time you snack, choose something that loves your gut back. 3. Strengthens the immune system. Want a tastier way to fight off colds and infections? Date balls with nuts are loaded with vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C, magnesium, and antioxidants all work together to support your immune defenses. Your body will thank you for the extra protection in each bite. Perfect for winter days or stressful times when your immunity drops. They taste like a treat, but your body sees it as a superpower boost. Add them to your daily routine and feel more resilient naturally. Who knew staying healthy could be this delicious? 4. Heart-healthy snack. Your heart deserves love too, and date balls with nuts deliver it bite by bite. The nuts contain healthy fats that help reduce bad cholesterol and improve circulation. Dates add potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure naturally. Regularly enjoying these treats can help support a stronger, healthier heart. Snack without guilt while knowing you're taking care of your cardiovascular system. It's the perfect blend of indulgence and health-conscious eating. Your heart will literally thank you for this delicious habit. 5. Helps with weight management. Trying to maintain or lose weight without sacrificing taste? Date balls with nuts are your new best friend. High in fiber and protein, they keep you full longer and prevent overeating. No more empty calorie snacks that leave you hungry an hour later. These bites satisfy your sweet tooth while supporting your weight goals. Portion-controlled and nutrient-packed, they are ideal for busy lifestyles. You'll feel satisfied, energized, and guilt-free after each one. Healthy snacking has never been this fun and easy. Subscribe for more weight-friendly snack ideas that actually taste amazing. 6. Rich in antioxidants. Want to slow down aging and protect your cells? Date balls with nuts are loaded with antioxidants. Antioxidants help fight free radicals that damage your cells and skin. This means healthier skin, stronger hair, and a more energetic body. Nuts like almonds and walnuts add even more protective nutrients. It's like a beauty and wellness boost rolled into a tiny, delicious snack. Snack smart and give your body the protection it deserves. Every bite is a step toward feeling vibrant inside and out. Subscribe to learn more fun ways to combine beauty and nutrition. 7. Supports brain health. Keep your brain sharp with date balls with nuts. Nuts are packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin E, which help boost memory and focus. Dates provide natural energy for your brain to function at its best. Perfect for students, professionals, or anyone needing mental clarity. One bite and your brain gets a little boost without caffeine jitters. Eating smart can enhance focus, mood, and overall brain performance. It's a snack that loves your mind as much as your taste buds. Subscribe and join us for more brain-boosting foods that are actually fun to eat. Be sure to use fresh dates when preparing date balls with nuts, and you'll immediately notice the difference in flavor and texture from the very first bite. I always choose soft, fresh dates because they blend smoothly with nuts and provide a rich, natural sweetness without the need for added sugar. One of my favorites is medjool since they are large, tender, and packed with fiber and potassium, which helps support heart health and smooth digestion. I also enjoy using deglet nor because of their balanced sweetness and the important minerals they contain, such as magnesium and iron, which help maintain steady energy levels throughout the day. Sometimes I choose ajwa for their rich antioxidant content, which may help reduce inflammation and strengthen the immune system. If I am looking for a slightly different texture and flavor, I like adding burhi, especially when they are fresh, because they provide a quick boost of natural energy. I also appreciate zahidi for their firmer texture and high fiber content that supports gut health, and safoi for their deep, rich flavor and beneficial plant compounds that may support cardiovascular health. For me, dates are not just a sweet treat. They are a wholesome, nutrient-dense ingredient that transforms simple snacks into something both delicious and nourishing. Try mixing different varieties with your favorite nuts, add a sprinkle of cinnamon or shredded coconut, and make the recipe your own. I would love to hear about your favorite combinations and how you prepare your date balls, so feel free to share your experience and inspire others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to like channel to follow all new